Hi everybody, this is Dr. Uduak Neuro Academy. Today we'll be talking about the physiology of memory. Memory is the capability or the capacity of the brain to encode, store, and retrieve information or data when they are needed. Memory represents our identity because without memory it is impossible to perform daily tasks or form relationships in life, learn and progress in life. Memories are stored through the strengthening of what we call synaptic connections between neurons. The hippocampus, the parahippocampal gyrus, the phonics, the mammary bodies, and the cingulate gyrus are structures that are concerned with memory function. Now, in order to form new memories, information or data must be converted into usable form, which occurs via the process known as encoding. Once the information has been successfully encoded, it must be stored in memory for later use. We usually have three types of memory, which are the sensory memory, short-term memory, and long-term memory. Now, sensory memory is the shortest form of memory. It usually occurs in milliseconds, and it involves the capacity to store impressions after having ended the original stimulus. It is responsible for receiving stimulus from the five senses, which are stored briefly but accurately. It is usually divided into three. We have the echoic memory, which is responsible for retrieving auditory information, iconic memory, which is responsible for retrieving visual information, and haptic memory, which is responsible for retrieving tactile information. We also have short-term memory. Short-term memory may be defined as the maintenance of information over a brief period of time, or we can say that it is the retrieval of information for a brief period of time, which occurs in seconds and results from conscious maintenance of sensory stimuli within this time frame. It is also known as primary or working memory. Long-term memory, on the other hand, refers to the continuing storage of information for days, months, years, and perhaps for a lifetime. It is usually divided into two types. We have the explicit memory, which is also known as declarative memory, which include all of the memories that are available to our consciousness or memories that are consciously remembered. It can be further divided into two. We have the episodic memory and the semantic memory. The episodic memory is known as memory of specific events. The semantic memory is known as memory about the world or memory about facts. We also have the implicit memory. The implicit memory that is remembered without effort, memory that are consciously remembered. It is also known as procedural or skill memories. It involves memory of body movement and how to use objects in the environment, and how to eat. For example, memory that has to do with driving, cycling, playing tennis, etc., etc.